Hi guys, it's TVG, and I'm here in South Florida, West Palm Beach, and I got this box. This box was delivered to the elderly and to unfortunate people during the coronavirus, and I got my hands on it and I wanted to see what was in there, see what you guys think, if it's nutritious, if it's something that you would give to your kids or your elderly parents or grandparents. So I wanted to unbox this. I thought maybe you guys wanted to see it as well. This is exactly what's in the box, unopened for the first time, and I wanted to see what was in there. You guys let me know what you think. Okay, we have one cork screws pasta, 16 ounce. It's kind of like, it's macaroni. So we'll put that there. We have one can of diced tomatoes, green chilies. 28 ounce, so let's put that there. We have tropical nectar, Sunberry Farms. Put that there. Vine ripe tomato sauce. Put that there. So this. More pasta, spaghetti, 16 ounce, American Classic. So we have peanut butter. We have creamy peanut butter. Hampton Farms creamy peanut butter, 16 ounce. We got this big boy. Quick oats. It's for breakfast. It's a whole grain oats. I guess it's made with milk. 42 ounce, 2 pounds. Put this down over here. Let me put the rest of this on the, oh man. Okay, the rest is down here. I'm gonna pile it up here. 1, 2, applesauce, pineapple, applesauce. So there's six applesauce, 3 peaches, 3 peaches, 6 peaches, 6 applesauce, 6 peaches, 1 black beans, 15 ounce, 1 chunk chicken, Swanson chunk chicken, 29.5 ounces. So this is everything that was in the box. Here's the empty box, and this is everything that was in there. This was delivered. So what do you think, guys? Do you think this is a nutritious meal? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Is this something that you'd give to your own parents or grandparents or children? Is this a nutritious meal? Please leave a comment below. Like and share if you can. Subscribe to their channel if you're not. And I'll see you in the next one.